Google My Business 2.0 PLR. Review, Mega Bonus Pack in Download Area. Google My Business 2.0 PLR, a far-flung opportunity of raking in huge affiliate commissions by delivering premium quality and top-notch product. Google My Business 2.0 with PLR. It's loaded with full private label rights. This means you can sell it to others under your own name and get huge cash roll into their pockets on complete autopilot. This is a far-fetched product with private label rights to offer you the following benefits: well-researched and up-to-date content, authentic sales material for reselling, you can keep 100% profits, evergreen topic from a profitable niche, PLR Loaded Generate, responsive leads on complete autopilot. Ready to sell Google My Business 2.0 training course. Keep 100% profits. Remarkable PLR Google My Business 2.0 training course plus sales materials. Brand new PLR, rebrand it, resell it and keep 100% profits. PLR to hot and new Google My Business 2.0 training course. PLR top-notch Google My Business 2.0 Biz-In-A-Box package. Jump on the info products bandwagon with the lord of all online marketing and money-making methods, Google, to drive tons of revenue for your business. Google My Business, GMB, the free tool from Google that helps business owners manage their online presence across the search engine and its growing portfolio of utilities, offers the greatest impact for brands seeking local exposure. If you think that was impressive, wait until you hear this. Plus, 84% of consumer search information comes from a company's GMB listing. Plus, customers are 50% more likely to purchase when finding a brand through GMB listing. Plus, complete Google business profiles get 7x more clicks than empty listings. Plus, 86% of people look up the location of a business on Google Maps. The above trend suggests that more consumers are looking for local businesses. Therefore, if you haven't optimized your business for Google local search, you are failing to take advantage of this significant opportunity. So, if you are ready to blow your business branding and give forcible challenges to your competitors by selling high-in-demand info product without doing anything extra, then take the easy way. Google My Business 2.0 PLR. Grab this brand new Google My Business 2.0 course with private label rights to give all your top-notch competitors a run for their money. You can see all of the details and get instant access by clicking the link below. With Google My Business 2.0 PLR, you get everything you need to start profiting from scratch. Module 1, Professionally Written Training Guide. Module 2, Professional Graphics. Module 3, Animated Banners. Module 4, High Converting Sales Copy. Module 5, The Mini Sites. Module 6, Customer Sales Video. Module 7, Legal Pages. Module 8, Social Media Graphics. Module 9, PDF Graphics. Module 10, Conversions Boosting Email Swipes. Plus 3 fast action bonuses you cannot miss. Bonus number 1, Cheat Sheet. Bonus number 2, Mind Map. Bonus number 3, Top Resources Report. Everything is ready to go, and you can start making money within the next hour. 1. Download the product. 2. Add your name and order button. 3. Upload on your server. 4. You're in business. Now, see how this will change your business and increase your profits exponentially. Be quick though, it looks like a free burger joint and price goes up every few sales. Grab your copy at a significant discount for a limited time. Get hordes of traffic with Google My Business 2.0. PLR tells how. Review, Mega Bonus Pack in Download Area.